So when we work with non-right triangles, what we've done in the past is we would drop a perpendicular line from the vertex down to the base, and we split this up into two right triangles. And being able to do this allows us to use right triangle trig to solve for the sides of this triangle. Now the difficulty with this would be that you would have to split this length up, into two parts. For example, it could be x and y, or x and, let's say the length was 10, it'd be 10 minus x. So you'd have to split up this base part. So what we're going to do is we're going to develop a law that allows us to do this without having to split up the base. And there's a relationship in any triangle, not just right triangles, where the opposite side and angle have a relationship. Okay, and you could probably see this relationship by imagining that as this angle changes, the length of this side will change. Okay, so the angle and the opposite side are connected that way. Same here, as this angle changes, the length of this opposite side would change. Okay, so again, these two, the length and the angle here, would be related. And this sine law allows us to apply this to right triangles, and it looks like this. This is what the sine law is stated. So basically, if we take the sine of angle A, okay, so again, we have to change, although the angle and the side is related, we have to convert the angle into a length measurement to be able for the side length and the angle to kind of essentially talk to each other. They have to be converted into the same kind of units. So this sine of this angle and this opposite side, that ratio is equivalent to the sine of this angle and the length of the opposite side, and the sine of this angle and the length of the opposite side. So basically they're connected through the sine ratio. Okay, so we're going to put into words the sine law relationship. Essentially, the sine law is just the relationship between the angle and the opposite side. Okay, and basically what we're going to say is that as the angle changes, okay, the length of the sine changes. And this relationship is a ratio the sine angle, the sine, and the opposite side is proportional this is an important word, proportional, for all the sides. Okay, so this is essentially a sine law relationship. It allows us to connect the angle and the opposite side in proportion for all the sides in opposite angles. Okay,